Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Contrast Checker for ADA friendly brand contrast checks, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Contrast Checker website. Click on this button to initiate the subscription process. You will be redirected to the subscription options page. Here, review the available plans for the Contrast Checker service. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Select or Get Started button associated with it. Fill in the required information on the sign-up form. This generally includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use a strong password for security purposes. After entering your details, read the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. If prompted, also agree to the privacy policy. Next, click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. You may be redirected to a payment page. Enter your payment information as required. Review your order details before confirming. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your inbox for this email to verify your subscription. If you do not see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. This may include setting up your account or accessing your dashboard. Now, you're all set to start using Contrast Checker for your brand's ADA-friendly contrast checks. Enjoy making your brand more accessible with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.